What's up, guys? This is mine and Tom's new YouTube channel called Gareth and Lawrence.
Gareth Lawrence 21.
21, sorry.
Why we put the 21 is because our ages added together is 21. So this, we should do a spinner vid. Spinner vid. Right, you talk to the people. Hold the camera. I'll go get my
Spinning the spinner. That looks sick on camera. That is so cool.
Did you even talk to them?
Yeah. I was like, this is so cool. When I was spinning this, because it looks so cool.
Right, tip all your spinners out.
Okay. Come out.
Hold on, guys. I'm just gonna have to repair some. I feel like I'm missing some. Does it look like it? I'm missing some of the Lamborghinis because they're in my pocket, but well, all of the Lamborghinis actually. Captain America.
Hey, ants!
You look like a wuss to you.
I don't
people
like
watching.
ants. They're corny.
That's a fact about Harvey. Harvey is literally scared of ants.
Dude, look at the camera whenever I spin this. Watch. Tom, look. It's going
Can you
so
try
fast.
fix them? Put them caps in.
Well, my little master is.
Well, basically, yeah.
Spin.
Still got one of George's. He's a bit dumb. Right, we're going one by doing it. Right, I'll go first because I have more. So my first one I'm going to show is this wheel. Spins really fast. Right, now you do one and then show spinning it.
I'm going to show my best last.
Alright, just quick. No, show them first and then spin. Oh, did you see that?
I know, it's
going
going to be spinning it really fast.
Right, put that down, put it in a pile. There. Right. My next one can be this really rubbish one. Harvey named it Silly Billy and it's really slow, look. And it stops. Right.
Well, I was going to show the same.
Silly Billy. Yep. Then I'm going to show both my cubes at the same time. Is that alright?
Yeah.
I have 2 fidget cubes.
They count as 2 fidget spinners for me because I traded 2 for them.
But them 2 together will make 4. So,
Yeah.
right, now it's yours. Harvey's got
Ducky.
a Batman. Right,
Look
now
at
put that
spinning,
away.
it looks so weird.
I have this really cool gold one. I love it. And it's
Where did
really
duck come
fast.
from?
Right, Harvey.
I'm going to show this
Oh no, my duck's on.
duck.
So that's a blue duck. I have a green duck. Right, now you, Harvey.
I have a widget spinner.
Which is, what is that? Puzzles?
Puzzle.
Like puzzle pieces, jigsaws.
And if I spin it fast enough, it does that.
Right, then I have this really cool galaxy one. I love it. I love it. Right, now you, Harvey.
I have duplicates of them.
Try be really quick because
Here is a blue metallic spin scratch.
put it closer so they can see
This
what
is a
it
blue
properly
metallic
looks.
spin
No,
scratch.
put it like right there.
Blue
right.
metallic spin scratch. Looks
Yep.
cool.
I have this one. It's like, it's really weird. If you know Rome Natwood, he has spinners, but like weird. This is metal. His are like plastic ones of these. That's that. It didn't spin properly because the caps are not in.
Here's the black one. It spins really cool.
Nice. Right.
You sound
Lamborghini.
like a full showcase.
I have a
I spin
bronze
all kinds.
Lamborghini. Yep.
I have a red galaxy. Looks cool.
I have this really weird one with weird caps, but really cool. Oh, spin. That.
So I have a weird purple one. Spin's really weird.
I have a black one where the cap is lost. There, quick.
I have a red and black.
We're not gonna do the spins anymore. I have reds with weird. Now you.
I have an orange one.
Orange. Glow in the dark.
White.
Blue with yellow bearings.
Yellow and black bearings. A banana.
Glow in the dark orange.
A Jacksepticeye, green and blue.
Weird swishy one, like swirly.
A full black.
Harvey called this prototype, and I do not have the caps for it, sadly, and there is an ant on our screen. That's, yeah. Right, quick.
A black, blue Batman.
I have ones without caps.
Because you took them out.
Yep.
Right,
Like you.
pile. This is a normal blue one.
Neon Chrome Lambo.
This is a silver one.
You don't have to spin it, just hold it. This is a gold one. You, quick.
This is a cream gold.
This is a glow in the dark pink.
This is a cool gold.
No, you got to show them properly. That's a bronze version of what I've got.
I called it the 7.
I've got Captain America, and it looks like an optical illusion.
I've got the coolest one here, and then just that.
And just on. A dark blue one, like what Harvey had. Quick. Oh, is that all?
Yeah.
And then I have a weird pinky one. A widget spinner, which has like weird patterns on. Jacksepticeye.
Pog!
Blue metallic Batman. Blue Batman. 2 silvers, one with black caps, one with silver caps. Silver Lamborghini and weird wood one. That's it. I have some Tic Tacs.
You took all, man. Literally gave it to everyone.
Right, so
Stop the vid.
no.
Okay.
So oh, and I have the best winner ever, called the 10p. No. So more videos from me and Harvey coming soon. Oh, and I have this weird circle case. It came with a Captain America. So that's going to be the end of this video, guys. And
That's an ant nest.
oh no. And
Sign out.
Tic Tac out.
Mini pencil.
Mini pencil.